Congratulations on making it this far. That makes 2 of us. We've already looked at sight adjustment in tutorial 2. In this last tutorial we're going to revisit it, but using SightSet's shot grouping feature. You might be wondering what purpose shot grouping serves. Primarily, it allows you to make iterative adjustments to see the effect at each iteration. So let's see how to use it. As always, we go straight into the Favorites screen. In this example, I'm zeroing the aperture sights on my Anschutz Match 54. So we'll pick the A23 target and then move to the adjustment screen. We place shots exactly as we did in tutorial 2. So the shot counter shows that we've added 3 shots. If you look to the left of the screen, you'll see that we also have a group counter that's showing 1/-. This time we are going to make use of the button with the folder or organizer icon. This is what we use to save the current shots together as a group. At this point we would make the adjustment that SightSet is recommending to our sights. Once we've done that, let's place some more shots. As soon as we place the new shot, we lose all of the settings that were suggested for the last group, and we can no longer access the Groups button. The group counter shows 2/- to indicate that it will form part of the second group. Let's continue to add shots. Let's save this group like we did the last. The group counter now shows -/2, so we've 2 groups saved. First, we click on the Groups button. This changes the toolbar at the bottom. Well, let's find out what happens when we tap on the Edit button. Lo and behold, a set of player controls appear on screen, just as when we were editing shots. The group counter shows that we are looking at the first group from a total of 2 groups. The currently selected group is coloured red, and the elevation and windage adjustments are displayed for that group. Just as with the player controls for shots, we can use the player controls for groups to step forwards and backwards. So let's finally rewind to the first group, drop it in the trash, and tap the Done button to finish with the edits. Note that there is also a trash can on the toolbar. This provides a quick and easy way to clear the target and start again. In this case, we'll just take the recommended adjustment from the last group of shots and do a final check. And there we have it, our sights are successfully zeroed. That's the end of the tutorial on groups, but before we leave, there's just one more control to cover on this screen, the Show Tabs button. This brings up the navigation controls so that we can navigate between windows. We could use it to go to the settings screen, for example, and reset on-target measurements to metric. Or more often than not, we'll use it to navigate back to the Favorites tab so we can zero the sights on a different rifle. Using groups can appear to be a little bit daunting at first, but I hope that you'll agree that it's worth the effort. Groups makes it easy to track iterative changes as you go along. What's up next? Well, nothing. We're done. I hope that you enjoy using SightSet and look out for some more Shootility applications coming soon.